Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the world beneath the waves with a look at 10 amazing water animals from the deep sea to freshwater rivers. These creatures are some of the most fascinating beings on earth. Let's dive in. First is clownfish. Clownfish in anemone. First up is the clownfish, bright orange with white stripes and famous from the movie Finding Nemo. Clownfish live in sea anemones which protect them from predators. In return, they help keep the anemones clean. It's a perfect partnership. Next one is dolphin. Dolphins jumping out of the water. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and playful behavior. These marine mammals can communicate with colleagues and visitors, solve puzzles, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Some dolphins can swim up to 25 miles per hour. Next one is octopus. The octopus is a master of disguise. It can change color and texture to blend in with its surroundings. With 8 arms and a highly developed brain, it is considered one of the smartest invertebrates in the sea. Next one is blue whale. Aerial footage of blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived, bigger than any dinosaur. These gentle giants can grow over 100 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons. Despite their size, they feed on tiny krill and are filter feeders. Next one is seahorse. Seahorses are some of the strangest fish in the ocean. They swim upright, use their tails to anchor to plants, and fun fact, the males carry the babies. Their unique shape and movement make them one of a kind. Next is jellyfish. Jellyfish are simple but beautiful. They have been around of over 500 million years. Even before dinosaurs, some jellyfish glow in the dark, while others have stings. They can be deadly. They drift with the currents and don't have a brain or heart. Next one is sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient mariners, often living up to 50 years or more. They migrate thousands of miles across oceans and always return to the beach where they were born to lay eggs. Sadly, many sea turtle species are endangered due to pollution and habitat loss. Next one is axolotl. Meet the axolotl, a rare freshwater creature from Mexico that never grows up. Unlike other amphibians, it stays in its larval form of life. It can even regrow body parts like limbs and parts of its heart and brain. Now that's cool. Next one is pufferfish. Pufferfish might look cute, but they have a powerful defense. When threatened, they inflate their bodies to grow larger and more intimidating. Some species also carry a deadly toxin, one of the most poisonous substances found in nature. Next one is crocodile. Last but not least, the crocodile. These reptiles have been around for over 200 million years, living in both freshwater and saltwater. Crocodiles are powerful predators with one of the most strongest bites in the animal kingdom. There you have it, 10 incredible water animals, each with its own unique story and adaptations. Whether they are swimming in ocean, drifting with the current, or hiding in rivers, these creatures show us just how diverse and amazing aquatic life can be. Kids, tell me, which one was your favorite water animal? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun videos and hit that bell so you don't miss our next adventure.